गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम केमिकल काइनेटिक्स का फोर्थ पार्ट करने जा रहे हैं एंड इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू बोर्ड्स एंड इट इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर वेरियस एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. सो अवर टॉपिक इज the effect of temperature and catalyst on the rate constant and rate of a reaction. So we'll be discussing both the effects. उससे पहले हम कुछ टर्म्स करेंगे. तो हमारी पहली टर्म है एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. तो एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी होती क्या है? See, from the word itself, activation energy, that is the energy required to activate the reactants. अगर हमारे पास reactant है, reactant give rise to product in a chemical reaction, it is the minimum amount of energy required by the reactant to cross the energy barrier, or it is the minimum amount of energy required by the reactant so that their energy becomes equals to threshold. तो इसको समझाने के लिए मैं आपको ग्राफ से समझाऊंगा. लुक ओवर हियर, वी आर हैविंग अ ग्राफ. इसको हम डिनोट करते हैं बाय EA, एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. सपोज वी आर हैविंग दिस ग्राफ. लुक ओवर हियर. Now this is your reactant, this is energy here on the y-axis. Here is the progress of reaction, here it is the product. So you can see this hump, this minimum energy reactant have the energy, or you can say this is your threshold. Clear? This is the reactant energy. So activation energy क्या हुई? It is the minimum amount of energy required by the reactant so that its energy become equals to threshold. Because here the activated complex is formed. Activated complex, or directly it loses energy and it forms the product. This graph is for endothermic. Because from here you can see delta H, that is product minus reactant, it will be a positive. Clear? So this is your activation energy. Again I am repeating, minimum amount of energy needed by the reactant so that its energy become equals to threshold. Because देखिए हमने collision theory में ये पढ़ा है कि whenever there is a reaction is going on, the reactants आपस में collide करते हैं and there are two main requirements of the reactant. First is the threshold energy, the minimum amount of energy required for an effective collision. और दूसरी चीज the orientation factor. Second thing is the orientation factor. So हम rate को हम define कर सकते हैं. Rate can be as rate is equal to Z, that is your collision frequency, and P is the orientation factor, and e raised to power minus EA by RT. This is the fraction of molecule having effective collisions. Because see, whenever there is a chemical reaction, there are many collisions. There are around roughly 10 to the power 25 collisions, but all collisions are not effective. So only those collisions are effective which meets the two criteria, that is the orientation and the threshold. So here this is your collision frequency, and this is your orientation factor. Because whenever there is a collision between the reactant, there should be properly orientated. Clear? So this was about your activation energy. Now let's take up the effect of temperature on the rate constant. See, effect of temperature on rate constant कैसे depend करेगा? ध्यान से देखें. Effect of temperature on rate constant, that is given by Arrhenius equation. हमने क्लास +1 में एक कर्व किया था, अगर आपको याद हो, मैक्सवेल बोल्ट्जमैन कर्व. तो हम उसकी भी उसका भी लेंगे. देखिए, this is fraction of molecules and this is your kinetic energy. Clear? So अगर एक particular temperature पे मैं बनाता हूं, so this is the curve. Clear? एक particular temperature पे, and if the temperature is increased, again this curve again flat हो जाएगा. T plus let's say 10. Clear? So this was your first area. Here is the second area. A, B, C, D, E, F. Clear? Now you can clearly see on increasing the temperature, the kinetic energy increases. The fraction of molecules having the threshold energy, kinetic energy increase. But in case of T, the kinetic energy is here. But kinetic energy increase, but the fraction of molecule possessing that particular kinetic energy decrease. You can clearly see at this temperature, this is the fraction of molecule. At this T plus 10, this is the fraction. So the fraction decreases, but the kinetic energy increase. So basically on increasing temperature बढ़ाने से आपकी rate constant या rate of reaction क्यों increase करता है? Because due to increase in number of effective collisions. Number of effective collisions बढ़ जाते हैं. तो अब उसी को discuss करने के लिए we'll be doing an Arrhenius equation. So let's see the exponential form of Arrhenius equation. K equals to A E minus EA by RT. Clear? K is the rate constant. A is the pre-exponential factor or the collision factor. EA is the activation, R is the gas constant, T is the temperature. Clear? So अगर इसको मैं logarithmic form में बोलूं, so log K equals to log A minus EA upon 2.303 RT. Clear? This is your logarithmic form, this is your exponential form. So by here we can have what you call rate constant, the pre-exponential factor or the collision factor, activation energy. Now if we plot this on a graph, log K versus 1 by T. So again it will be a negative slope and the slope will be EA upon 2.303 R. This is your slope minus EA upon 2.303 R. It is a negative slope, and at two different temperatures we can have a equation log K2 by K1 equals to EA upon 2.303 R bracket में 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Always remember T1 and T2 you have to take in Kelvin, and the value of R, that is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. So graph is also important according to boards, and the numericals also come on this equation. Clear? Chalo. This was your effect of temperature. So always remember, with increase in temperature the rate of a reaction increase or the rate constant increase. And it is also seen that for every 10 degree rise in temperature the rate of a reaction doubles. For every 10 degree rise the rate of a reaction doubles. इस पे मैं क्वेश्चन कराता हूँ. मोस्ट कॉमन एक क्वेश्चन आता है. There is an increase, as we know the rate of a reaction doubles for every 10 degree rise in temperature. So the temperature increases from 10 to 50. So how much the rate will increase? See, 10 to 50, 10 to 50, if it is increasing, then first 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, then 40 to 50. So how many times? That is 2 raised to power 4. That is 16 times the rate will increase. If it get doubles in every 10 degree, 10 to 20 to 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40, 2 raised to power 4, 16 times. So this kind of numerical also we can do. चलो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं हम effect of catalyst. See, effect of catalyst का क्या रोल होता है? See, basically according to the catalyst, यहाँ पर catalyst क्या करता है? Catalyst provides an alternate path of activation energy. देखिए correct definition यही है catalyst की, it provides the alternate path of what you call alternate path to the reactant. Clear? अब अगर मैं कहूँ मेरे पास एक रिएक्शन है जिसके अंदर एनर्जी वर्सेस प्रोग्रेस है, जैसे हम इस रिएक्शन में देख रहे हैं, दिस इज योर रिएक्टेंट, दिस इज योर प्रोडक्ट, एंड दिस इज द एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी, एंड दिस रिएक्शन इज अनकैटलाइज्ड. इफ इट इज अ कैटलाइज्ड इट विल फॉलो अ डिफरेंट पाथ. लुक ओवर हियर, इट विल फॉलो, दिस इज योर catalyzed. So what will happen in presence of catalyst? The activation energy क्या हो जाएगी? Activation energy क्या हो जाएगी? कम. Clear? Activation energy क्या हो जाएगी? कम. Clear? So basically it will speed up the reaction. It will speed up the reaction. But it does not have any effect on delta H. Delta H पे कोई effect नहीं होगा, delta G पे कोई effect नहीं होगा, और moreover in class +1 हमने equilibrium constant किया था. For reversible reaction, it will have no effect because it will increase the forward as well as the backward to the same extent. So again, there is no effect of catalyst on delta H, delta G, and equilibrium constant in case of reversible reaction. Though catalyst increases the rate of a reaction by decreasing the activation energy. Clear? Again, if we have a plot of energy versus progress of reaction for exothermic, this is reactant, this is product. This is your forward activation energy, this is your backward activation energy. Backward activation energy. Clear? And this is your delta H. For exothermic, this is for endothermic. Clear? So this was about catalyst. One more thing. See, जितने भी fast reactions होते हैं, fast reactions have less activation energy. जितने भी fast reactions होंगे, they will have less activation energy, and moreover, जितनी भी slow reactions हैं, will have more activation energy. It will require more energy to have that threshold energy. Threshold energy और activation energy में एक relation बताता हूँ आपको मैं. Threshold energy is equal to activation energy plus average energy of reactant. So this is again an important formula. Just go through it. So this was about effect of temperature and the catalyst on the rate constant. So just go through all these topics and we'll implement in the next topic. Numericals करेंगे. Thank you.